Lockbook 0.8.2 is being rolled out, and it contains a bunch of things we're excited to share with you. As always, if you have any feedback, jump in our Discord and start a thread. We'd love to hear from you. Now, to kick things off, let's go over to Travis for some updates on our editor.
What's up, guys? This release brings Markdown image support to the editor. We support both images on the web and images imported to your Lockbook. To use an imported image, right-click it in the file tree, copy the file link, and paste it into the Markdown in your document. Now over to Smile for some Apple updates.
Hey guys, showing images is just one step in our goal to support more media in Lockbook. In this release, it's now easier than ever to import images, documents, and text by copying and pasting or dragging and dropping. I also redesigned the search bar on macOS and introduced it to iPadOS. You can expect a sleeker look and a smoother experience overall. Besides this, I made various quality of life improvements. Now when you hover your cursor over the editor on macOS, it changes to the vertical bar you can expect when editing text. I also fixed the Alt Backspace shortcut and list indentation.
Hey, what's up? We've drastically improved the new file experience on Windows and Linux. If you're struck by inspiration or have a fleeting thought, you're always just one button away from preserving it forever. We'll choose an appropriate name so you can find it later. Lockbook also now supports PDFs, so you can archive and secure important documents like tax returns and health records. And now, back to Parth for some CLI updates.
This month we updated the CLI parsing library we use. We created our own library that helps us implement and maintain high-quality dynamic completions in Rust that work on all shells. This month, that library brings descriptions alongside those tab completions. We also upgraded the infrastructure that installs the CLI. We now ship a Debian package, and if you install the CLI using AUR, Brew, or this Debian package, then CLI completions will be installed automatically for you. A quick note for Brew users, make sure that your shell is aware of where Brew stores its completions. If you're looking for more info, we're planning a deep dive into the various ways you can script the CLI, as well as a closer look at the library that helps us write our CLI. You can see our full project-wide changelog on our GitHub releases page. As I mentioned before, we'd love to have you join our Discord and hear about how you're using Lockbook. If you're a programmer and are interested in contributing, reach out. Lockbook is a large open source project with lots of interesting problems to explore. Finally, we've received a lot of feature requests we're categorizing as our multimedia quest. You heard some of the first steps of that today. If you'd like to see some of the planned upcoming work, then check out this GitHub issue. And now, the team's off to dinner. Cool? Good? The team's off to dinner, or we're